Hi, my name is Afizaim. Welcome to my channel, and today I'll show you how I build my PC. Okay, first I'll show what component that I chose for this PC. The processor that I go for this PC is AMD Ryzen 3 3100. It has quad core, 8 threads, and the base clock is 3.6 GHz. It can be overclocked up to 3.9 GHz. And next one, the GPU, I go with the NVIDIA GTX 1650 Super. It has 4 GB of VRAM, DDR6, and it using NVIDIA Turing architecture, so it's quite new. The RAM, I just go with the single stick of DDR4. I got an 8 GB, clock at 3200 MHz. I know Ryzen will take advantage of the dual channel, but this is the only that I can afford for now. Soon I will upgrade it. Okay, next one, I chose the motherboard is the B450 Aorus Elite from Gigabyte. This is the cheapest that I got, the cheapest fully ATX motherboard that I can get. It has many function and easy upgradability. The next one is storage. I go with the NVMe SSD. The storage that I go is the Kingston A2000. I go with the 500 GB. Okay, the next one is the case that I got here. It is Leo from Dark Flash. It is also the cheapest ATX case that I can got. And the last is the power supply. The power supply is from Segotep. It's 500 watt and it's rated 80 plus bronze, and it's also get a B rating from the Linus Tech Tape forum for the power supply tier list. And this power supply also using fully modular, so this is a bonus because we can choose what we use to power our component. Okay, that's all. We go to the time lapse for the building process. Now I'll show you the result that I got from benchmarking this PC. Overall, I really love this PC because it's really good for its price, and I've been using this PC for a month now, and this PC can play all the modern games at 60 frames per second. And if you want the smooth experience, you can tweak the settings as you prefer. And this PC also can use for minimal video editing. It's good, a good productivity machine. I think that's all wrapped up for this video. I'm sorry for my English. Okay, that's all from me. If you like this video, you can leave a like down below, and you can subscribe to my channel. I will try to post more content. You can ring the bell for future updates, and that's all from me. Okay, peace, bye.